It's certainly nicely wrapped. Nice little fishing bag there. You could put bracelets and necklaces in. They're rather sweet. Good, strong. Okay, like those. And I've got some stainless steel lobster clasps. Plenty of those. Yeah, should certainly find a use for them very soon. Tibetan silver spacer beads. I think there's at least a couple of hundred of those in here. I do like to intersperse my lampwork beads with Tibetan silver spacers, so I shall find some use for those very soon as well. And they're Panda Hall brand, so you know they're good quality. Here's another one. This is Panda Hall again, and they're covers for crimps, various colours. So they'd be good because I've only used the silver ones up to now. Good package of them. These are stainless steel spacers. I like to use these for my more sort of masculine looking pieces. Yeah, very happy with those. That's looking good. So, I shall get those all opened up and I'll give you a look very soon, I think. Lovely. And they were all from Beebeecraft. Nice people. A lady called Molly took my order, and I'll be using them again, no doubt.